everyone, my name is Torj and welcome to another episode of Torj on Tour. For today, I would love to show you this one-of-a-kind bi-level penthouse located in Brio Tower, Makati, very near Power Plant Mall or Rockwell Center, Makati. Tara, pasok tayo! Hello! So as we enter, you will already feel how welcoming and connected everything is inside this unit. And you will love this accent wooden partition. Actually, behind this is a staircase going to the lower floor, which I'll show you later on. Now, I'm imagining that on this side, you can even put an accent chair to make it feel more cozy. And this is actually just the entryway that naturally flows to your common area, which is the living and dining area. So I already love the drop ceiling design that makes this common space very elegant and very open. Now, going to the living area first, you would already appreciate that you are provided with this ceiling fan already. Plus, you are already provided with this media console. So, TV na lang guys ang ilalagay mo and all your media accessories. Now, going to the dining area, you can probably put an 8-seater dining set over here and you will appreciate that there's already a chandelier provided for you. Now, either you're in the dining area or the living area, you will have this spectacular views of Makati City. And tara, puntahan natin si balcony para makita nyo what it feels like to live here. So here guys, this is your beautiful view of Makati. You have the exposure of Rockwell community over here. You have the Makati Skyline and you actually have a view of one of the most exclusive villages in Metro Manila, which is Bel Air. So just imagine day or night, you have this backdrop, which is pretty amazing. And this is one of the perks if you live in a penthouse and in Brio Tower. Now, going inside this unit, let me now lead you to my most important part of this home, which is the kitchen, because I believe that this is the heart of a home dahil dito pine-prepare ang meals guys. And food has this unique power to bring people together. This kitchen I already love because aside from the fact that it's modern designed and very stylish, it is very functional. Now, I want to highlight this bar counter, which is already perfect for casual meals or even entertaining your guests. Ang maganda pa dito guys, you have the hanging and under cabinets for more storage and you even have a spot for your favorite wine bottles. Now, on this side, I'm already imagining that this could be another preparation table for you, or you can even showcase here your favorite coffee machine if you're a coffee lover. Now, on that side, let me show you that you are already fully equipped with appliances such as this 2-door fridge. You already have this microwave, you have this range hood, cooktop, and oven. So all of your cooking needs nandito na. So as I've mentioned earlier, this kitchen is also functional, and one of the reasons why is because of the additional cabinets installed here. And just imagine that you can store all your dry goods over here to make sure that your kitchen is always tidy. Now, what I love about this kitchen is that it's also well ventilated, which I always tell in my other vlogs that well ventilated spaces is always a good idea. Okay, so now let's move on to another area of this unit, which is the common bathroom. I love how it is well designed because they used simple colors, which is black and white. I really love the contrast of it that makes it very clean and very elegant. Plus, with this mirror lighting, it makes the bathroom more interesting. So let me just take you to this walk-in shower, which I really love, again, because they used white colors on the walls. Plus, you have a very cute shower niche over here for all your bath essentials. Tara, doon naman tayo sa kabila. So right next to it is another highlight of this property, which is the utility room. For me, it's very thoughtful kasi in most condos that I've seen, normally naka-expose ang utility. So this one, since the unit is pretty spacious, they dedicated this space for utility lang. Now, you have this counter for any laundry preparation. You are already provided with washer-dryer machine here. And you have the sink for your washing needs. Plus, you have shelvings for all your other laundry accessories. Plus, for me, it's amazing that you are already provided with wardrobe rod. So, it's perfect for air drying your clothes. So, for me, it's very thoughtful kasi ngayon lang ako nakakita na meron ng wardrobe rod sa utility area. Okay, so right next to it is another room that for me, you can maximize into a lot of things. So one of them is you can convert this into a helper's room. At guys, ang ganda ng kanyang view. She has the view of the Makati City. And another thing that I'm thinking is you can convert this into a workstation. So just imagine you will be inspired while having this view while you are working. Plus, I think you can also convert this into a folding area or the plantsa room since it's right next to the utility area. After mo magwash, dito na yung plantsa, diba? So, that's it for the upper floor. So now that I'm done showing you the features in this upper floor, let me now show you what's on the lower floor to showcase all of the other bedrooms. Tara! So as we go down, guys, I just want to highlight that it's very thoughtful also to have these accent lights to actually make this entire home more elegant. Now, as we land the lower floor, pakita ko lang sa inyo that there's a storage under the staircase, which is actually very spacious. Pwede ito siguro sa mga luggages or your bulky items. Now, on this side, guys, is actually another perfect spot to make a family room. So I'm imagining that you can put your sofa over here and put your TV on that wall. And as we go to the bedrooms, guys, I just want to show you how thoughtfully designed talaga tong unit na to because these are more storage for all your home essentials. Maybe bed linens, towels, and other accessories. Now, the first ever room that I want to show you is the primary bedroom. So I always say in my other vlogs that this is one of the most important part of a home, and what makes this special is that it has its own drop ceiling design and it has its own balcony to enjoy these beautiful views of, again, the Makati City. Now, it features also this mirrored closet, which is, well, for me, it's a perfect way of making the bedroom even bigger. And hindi lang ito yon, meron pang isa, which is this one. So more space for all your other accessories. Now, right beside this wardrobe is the primary bathroom. again, I already love how it is consistent with its design. It's very clean looking, and I love how the mirror lighting makes it even more beautiful. Plus, ang maganda dito guys, it has a big counter, so you can put all your skincare essentials as well, and even put your favorite decorative items on this glass shelvings. Now, let me show you the other parts of this floor. So now let's move on to the next room, which is bedroom number 1. Yung space na to, I'm already imagining that you can put your bed over here, and you can even add your vanity area over here. So it also has its own closet over here, which for me, I really love yung color that they used to finish the wardrobe. It complements the colors inside the room. And by the way guys, just an information for you, meron ka na ring provided na curtains and blinds for all your bedrooms, even in the common area, which is again, very, very thoughtful. Now, before I show you the other bedrooms here, let me just highlight again that there are a lot of storage on this floor for all your home essentials and to make sure that you're always clutter-free. So, right next to it or right across to it is bedroom number 2. So this room has its own wardrobe as well. And what I love about this room, it's a cute space, but you have this, again, beautiful view of Makati Skyline. At guys, hindi ko pala na-mention that all of the bedrooms here, meron ka ng split type aircon units. So, diba? It's again a thoughtfully designed feature. Now, let me show you another room on this floor, which is bedroom number 3. So you also have your own wardrobe over here. And for me, I like to call it the flexi room because you can convert this into a guest room or another recreation room. So, ang maganda rin dito sa room na to guys, it also has an access to a balcony which you can appreciate this view again. Sorry pa ulit-ulit pero talagang ang ganda ng view ng property na to. Kahit saang lugar, meron kang ganitong view. And another thoughtful feature of this unit is that meron ng built-in screen sa mga bedrooms, which I appreciate. Dahil if you want natural air, you don't have to worry for the bugs coming inside your property. So, right next to this room is the common bathroom. So again, I love how consistent the design is with all of the bathrooms inside this property. And for me, the simpler the better kasi it makes the space more elegant looking, not trying too hard. So, now that I'm finished and showing you all the parts of this lower floor, let's go back upstairs and I'll see you in the kitchen. So this is a 230 square meter bi-level penthouse located in Brio Tower, Makati. This is actually fully renovated guys. So lahat ng actual finishing niya during turnover, lahat pinalitan and was beautified into this very elegant styled unit. Now, 5 things you will love about this unit. 1, it is brand new, and as I've mentioned, it is a penthouse unit which is a very sophisticated part of this building. Plus, it's bi-level, so hindi mo mafe-feel na nasa condominium unit ka. 2, you have well-curated bedrooms with quality finishing, including the Narra floorings. 3, you have this very stylish and functional kitchen that you will love. 4, you have an open layout concept on your common area, which makes this space very open and very grand. 5, What I love about this unit is that it has a dedicated utility room which you cannot see in most of the condos in the metro. Now, if you have any questions about this unit, or if you want to see this unit in person, or if you want to enlist your property, or you are buying a property within Metro Manila or nearby cities, my contact details are right here and on the description below. Again, my name is Torj. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!